Hey guys, what's up? I just got a quick garden tip for you today. So I'm in my backyard and I'm pruning my blackberry bush right here, and I'm getting it cleaned up ready for the winter. The fence is being replaced, so I was trying to pull it away from the fence, and I was cutting some of my the shoots, and I'm like, I feel really bad. So anyway, long story short is I pulled them up off the ground, and what I'm gonna do is actually put them right into another bucket and propagate them. I'll show you over here. All right, so I'm over here and I got some of my compost. Look how beautiful this is. Come close, take a look at it. This is actually from the compost pile we made, and what I'm gonna do is just basically take these roots, just come in closer, take a look. Just bury these roots. These are really hardy, these blackberries. You don't have to really go too wild with them. So I'm basically just taking one of the shoots. See, I cut it off right there. Got the nice root system. And let me just pull this out. And I don't want to put these roots under too much stress, so I'm just gonna kind of make sure I put them in somewhat of a, keep them loose so they're not too bunched together, basically in the soil. Because if you put them in the soil and they're crunched up, it puts too much stress on the plant and it won't propagate right. So next year I'll have two new blueberry bushes. And that's how you do it. Very simple. I'm gonna water these down and ready for next year. Hey guys, if you haven't yet, check out my second channel, Chicken Manzo. I just started it not too long ago, and it's all about life with chickens. They're a blast to have around, and I think you'll really enjoy the fun we have out there. See you next time.